So of course when I started chatting to fill you guys in about my session, a train went past. So here it is anyways. I'm going to flick around some little lures, fishing nice and lightly. I'm going to flick around these pylons and this little creek, hopefully in search of some bream, and I'm really hoping I can find an EP today. Let's get stuck into some fishing. There we go. There's a fish. There's a fish. Doesn't have too bad weight on this fish. What do we got? Little Brembo. Come here, brother. Alright, sit there. Alrighties, there we have it there. First little bream up at this bridge. Didn't take long at all. Happy to get that one. Let's keep casting and see what else we can find. Let's go this way. Fair chunk of current coming in here now. Let's go over near these trees over here. Might head up that creek, I think. Oi! 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 Now this is a good fish. This is a good fish. Just as I was saying I might head off, this is a good fish. Good fish. Come here, mate. Where are you? Good bream. Very good bream. Very, very good bream. Get in the net, mate. Yes. Oh, that is nice fish. Let's have a go at this. That is a fat Brembo. He has been having a solid feed. There's that little trick swim there. So that is a good fish. Happy with that. Let's keep casting and see what we can find. Let's go right up near that tree. I don't know how far it sticks out, so fish or a snag. Oh, I just got dusted. That was a good fish. Man. Alrighties, we've retied there. Man, that was a good fish. It is a hard thing when you fish this lightly. Bit of structure there. I just couldn't get it out before it busted me off, but we'll go again. There was a good old whack. Seems to be a bit of activity over here. There we go. Get out. Get out. Get out. This could be a flatty. Just fighting a bit funny. No, another bream. Another good sized bream. Get in there. That is another good sized bream. They are eating. Alright, well, I just lost one. I just got dusted and very next cast, straight back in where I was, I've picked up another good bream. So, they're definitely eating, which is good. That's another good wee. There he goes. The hard thing about fishing in a kayak, but super simple. I'm just using a little slim swim from Z-Man. That's a 1/16 hidden weight jig head. Just letting it float through the water and you get those taps right as it floats down through the water. All right, let's get stuck back into some fishing. There we go. There we go. Oh, good run on that. Look, he's one of the smaller. Hey, come back here. He is. Come here, mate. Where you going? Jesus, he's feisty. Definitely one of the smaller ones. Let's have a look. Yep. One of the smaller ones this morning. I'm going to get him back in quickly. Keep going and see if we can't find a bigger model sitting up there. No, we're going one more. One more up there. Just got a feeling. Gonna be one decent one sitting on here. Come on. There we go. There was another one. I had a feeling there might have been one on there. I don't think this is as big as some of the others. Oh, it's still a very good fish. Oh. What is going on? Look at that. Wow. Man, these bream are huge. Well, there we go. Have a go at that. This is so cool. This has turned into an absolutely epic bream session. These are all just fat quality fish. Couple little ones, but not many. Anyways, I'm gonna get this guy back in and let's keep going. This is so much fun. The quality of these bream. Oh, there we go. There's another. I don't think this is a big one, but Jesus. He is going crazy. As I was just talking about the quality of these fish, I've probably landed the smallest one of the day. So, there we go. There's a fish. What have we got? The old out in the middle cast. Oh, solid bream again. Man, we're getting some quality bream. Yeah. Besides that one little one earlier, these are all very good quality fish. These fish are really fat as well. Man, they must be feeding good. That's another good brimbo. All right, let's keep searching. All right, mate. There we go. There we go. There's another one. Come here. Where are you going, mate? Where are you going? Come on, this is another quality fish. Another quality bream. Oh, he's probably a little smaller actually. Come here. Okay, get in the net. There we go. Definitely smaller than the last few. Still a good sized bream. It actually went quite hard, that fella. But there's another one, all on this slim swim. It's doing the damage this morning. There's no point changing it because it's getting me fish. Anyways, let's get this guy back in the water and we'll keep casting. Oh man, this isn't a bad fish. This has towed me and it's cutting some water. What do we got here? Decent brimbo? Yep, another decent brimbo. Come here. Man, these bream are out today. Come here. Oh, that is a good fish. That is a good bream. Oh, wow. I think I missed the hook up on that, but that is a really good bream. I'm just going to sit in the water there. Let's have a look at that. Sit in the water there. That just shows you how dirty that water is. This water, we've had a heap of rain. Yeah, really dirty water, but these bream, they are not worried by it. Alright, let me get this hook out of this fish and we'll get it up so we can have a look at it. Alright, play nice. There we go there. Good fish. Look at those big chompers on it. Another fat bream as well. They are really fat up this creek. There must be plenty of food up here, but they're still banging my lures. All right, let's get this one back in and keep going. What do we got here? This could be my first flathead. Oh no, not with a run like that. I don't think that's a flathead. That was a decent run on it. Oh, come here, mate. What do we got? What do we have here? Oh, the water's so dirty I can't get a look at it. Wait, shook and carry on. Another monster bream. Come here. Wowee. Oh, this one's a tank. This one is an actual tank. Wow. That is a quality bream. They just keep getting fatter up here. Well, I know I keep saying it, but have a go. These guys are just so big. I don't have a measure on me, but these are all mid-30s, pushing high 30s bream. This is so much fun. All just getting taken on that little slimmy. Where is he? Little slim swim there. I'll have to fix that up. But just a hidden weight jig head, 1/16, and a little slim swim from Z-Man. All right. Let's see what else we can find. And we might go hit the bridge. But we're definitely getting some attention here. There we go. Right back near that. Oh, I dropped it. Dropped it. Dropped him. Up near this sticky. Definitely got a lot of attention here earlier. And yeah, straight back up there, just drop that last fish. And again, very next cast. Don't drop this one. Oh man. Oh man. I could be in trouble here. Turn. Okay. Gotcha. Got ya. We're good now. Man, he went hard. He went so hard, that fish. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Get in there. Get in there. Well, this is fun fishing. Well, I got a train cruising past, but wait. There we go. There's another guy. Definitely not as big as the ones I've been catching, but straight up on that snag. I just dropped one and then got it right back up there and into another. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, very next cast. You can just watch that line moving. Where are you going? Hey, come back here. I didn't even hit the bottom. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. This is what we've wanted. Come here. Come here. Yes. Come on. Get in there. Yes. That is what I've wanted to see turn up. Right, guys, look at that. Cracking EP. I've been waiting for these guys to show up here. Finally found one. Happy with that. All right, I'm going to get this guy back in the water and let's keep going, see if we can get another. Man, that's a good fish. That was just really hard up on that structure. There's another. There's another. Come on. Stay out. This is another EP, I reckon. I reckon this is another EP. Oh, I just dropped it. Just there. Ah, damn it. Well, there's no outro on this video because I forgot to make one. So here's a cheesy photo of me and my EP. Epic fish. Anyways, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.